on, crew? Hey guys, I just want to get with you guys real quick. I got a cool update that I want to share. As you guys know, we're about to start the next build with the 1947 Chevy pickup truck, Bullseye here. Okay, this is what she looks like now, and I am actually about to drop the video tomorrow. As you guys will see, that has been premiering for about a week now, and I want you guys to go and check out that video. We will be premiering it Saturday around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I want you guys to stay tuned because it's going to be an awesome series of videos. I don't think I'm going to do like the call it the build. I'm just going to do different series as far as whatever we're working on, as far as the front end, the build, you know, as far as the transmission. And as you guys already know, Bullseye here has an LS motor in it, so we will be doing an LS swap as well in the 47. But hey, I want to take you guys from the beginning when I brought the car, and I want to take you guys all the way to the end of the finished product. And like I said, I think we got this truck, you know, whenever we got it, I swear it was in a daggone swamp or whatever, because everything was totally rusted inside the cab and stuff. And just give you guys a little bit of history before we get started with the episode, the first episode of Bullseye. We went down to West Virginia, me and my partner Blair. We went down to West Virginia to go pick it up. And of course, one of my partners that called me and said, hey, they got a 47 on Craigslist, you need to call them and check it out. And of course, I should have known better. You know, I got the 62 off of Craigslist, but hey, I always wanted a 5 window, and I called the guy up, told him to send me a few pictures, and he kept sending me pictures of the outside of the truck, which it looked, you know, it looked like a truck that's been sitting for a long time. So he sent me pictures, guys, and but you know, I kept asking him to send me pictures on the inside of the vehicle, which he always kept saying he had problems in this and that. So make a long story short, me and Blair, we went down to West Virginia, somewhere in West Virginia. The guy said he lived down in a holler. Yeah, a holler. So we finally got about 2.5 hours into it. We went down to this holler, and it was like almost somewhere I've never been, down up in the mountains or whatever. So once we got there, looked at the truck, and of course, as soon as I looked inside the truck, I was like, man, this is not the same truck that this guy was showing me in these pictures. And now I kind of understood why he never sent me pictures of the inside. As you guys will see in the videos, you know, but anyway, I was already down there, guys. He won a certain amount of money, which he did not get. So we made a deal. The deal was done. I didn't want to come back empty-handed. I probably should have left it there. But as you guys see the video, you write down some comments down below tomorrow. But anyway, we got the truck. I made the deal. The deal is done. And so we're heading back to Bristol with the truck, guys. So I'm going to leave you guys right there. But I just want you guys to enjoy the premiere of the 1947 build when we went to go pick it up somewhere in West Virginia. And you know, it was a long journey, guys, getting it to this point, and I'm still doing a little modifications and stuff here and there, but Bullseye is running better than ever. As you guys can see her back there, that's my everyday driver, guys. So I want you guys to enjoy this video of the 1947 build when we go pick it up somewhere in West Virginia. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and follow me along, guys, for this total build, total off-frame restoration, guys. So without further ado, check out the video you guys are about to watch of the 1947 when we went to go pick up Bullseye. Hope you guys enjoy this video. What would you